Mr. Narwhal from the movie Elf. Okay, we're going to start up here and we're going to come down the line and then make a skinny triangle. And then it's just a curve U down for the body and then finish the U, but stop right about there so that we can put his fin. And that way you don't have to put a line through it. And then you continue on down. Some wavy lines. And then this is the movement of the water. So you just put some little C shapes.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here.
Hope everyone enjoyed drawing Mr. Narwhal from the movie Elf.